Good morning, students. Today we are talking about a very interesting topic, Nick translation. Now, Nick translation is a technique which was developed by Peter Rigby and Paul Berg in the year 1977. Now, what is Nick translation? Nick translation is used for the purpose of fluorescent or radio labeling of DNA sequences for their tracking, for the purpose of tracking those sequences in various blotting techniques, whether it's southern, northern, or any particular blotting technique. So basically what Nick translation means is we are trying to label the oligos. We are trying to label the DNA sequences either fluorescently or radio labeling, and that might be used for any for the purpose of tracking of the DNA in any blotting technique. So what do we need for the Nick translation? So typically we need three things: DNase 1, DNA Pol 1, and labeled nucleotides, and apart from that we need the template. So let's see. Here we have a double stranded DNA. You can see this double stranded DNA, 5' to 3', and that's the anti-parallel strand. So and then you have this enzyme DNase 1. So first we are going to treat this DNase with DNase 1. Now DNase 1 is a nuclease and it is going to cut randomly this sequence. So it is going to introduce some cut. So let's say once the DNase acts on this DNA, so it's going to act on this DNA and it's going to introduce some cut. So let's say between C and A it introduces a cut. Now this cut has been introduced by DNase 1. So after DNase 1 there is DNA Pol 1 which is going to act here. So now DNA Pol 1 is actually coming here, and now what DNA Pol 1 is going to do is, because polymerase 1 is a repair enzyme, okay, and it has got the 5' to 3' exonuclease. So using the exonuclease, 5' to 3' exonuclease, it is going to remove this base A, and then using the 5' to 3' polymerase activity, it's going to synthesize the base A. And since we have given fluorescently labeled nucleotides, or we have given radio labeled, so the new base we have shown as this red letter word, the red letter A. So you can see now it has moved from C to A. So similarly it's going to do this translation. So Nick is going to start moving. So this is the movement of the Nick is called Nick translation. So this Nick is going to keep moving, and as the Nick moves, the DNA Pol 1 is going to keep adding the nucleotides, the labeled nucleotides, fluorescently or radio label, whatever the case is. So finally something of this sort we will have. So these all red color nucleotides, these are newly synthesized and they have been tagged radio labelly or fluorescently. So once this is done, so DNA polymerase will leave. So once DNA polymerase leave, then DNA ligase is going to join the party and it's going to come and sit here. So DNA ligase, it's going to sit here, it's going to reseal this gap, and this is good to go. So this was all about Nick translation. So this is how this piece of oligo was radio labeled or fluorescently tagged using the three enzyme DNase 1, DNA Pol 1, and your DNA ligase. So that's it. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and write us back at genesisacademydaily@gmail.com. Thank you.